That said, to answer your question, you said, what does it take to get a job in the USA? Okay. There's a bunch of gigantic corporations here. I'll give you a very specific example. When I was working at Verizon, which is a multi-billion-dollar company here that does telecommunication, if you never heard of it, um, we had foreign nationals in a bunch of countries that worked with us, and this is a high-paying job. This is not just selling mobile phones. This is they have another branch of their business where they do cybersecurity analyst work. Um, so we would do cybersecurity consulting for other companies, and we had a person in Argentina, and that person was doing the actual consulting, but also getting us more business in that whatever country it was. We had somebody in Japan, we had somebody in Germany, we had somebody in Australia, and a couple other countries, because I think Canada. They had business in all these different countries, and sometimes we have to have a person there on site, and so we would have to hire a person in that country to do the work, and they were getting paid. So that's how you can. That's one of the ways you can do it, is look for those big companies, not just in the U.S., because Germany has those kinds of companies. Australia, Canada has a bunch of those kinds of companies, not just the US, and they will pay you well. Where can you find it? One trick you can do is this. Every country has a top 10 list of job sites. And I'm going to show you. If you happen to be watching me, I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm going to go to Google. Or Bing or whatever, and I'm going to type in top. You can follow along with me. Top search top job search or sites. Let's just type top job sites in Kenya. So every country has their own top 10 job sites. So Kenya's job top 10 is not going to look like the USA. This is how you will find the jobs. For Kenya, the top jobs, it names Brighter Monday, which I've never even heard of, New Kenyan Jobs, Snap Hunt, Indeed, which I've heard of, Google Jobs, and LinkedIn. Now let's go to another one. Let's look at Ireland. Top job site in Ireland is irishjobs.ie, jobs.ie, indeed.ie, and monster.ie. Now let's look for top jobs. You get the idea though, right? I'm going to do one more. Top jobs in Canada. Now what you want to do is put your resume in whatever country you're trying to do, put it in all the top 10. If you're serious, you'll put in all the top 10. So in Canada, it's just like here. Well, similar, because there's some different ones that I've never heard of. Top 10, Indeed, Monster. I use those. Job Boom, I've never even heard of that. Handshake, never heard of it. Learn for Good, never heard. So there's a bunch of on here that are top 10 in Canada I've never even heard of. So you want to go whatever country, top 10. Put your resume, your CV in every one of those. Fill it 100% out, the whole profile in the top 10 of that country, and you will get people responded to you. You're not going to want everything that's there. They're not going to pay enough. They're going to say, oh, can you move to Arkansas, or are you in the U.S. or whatever? It's going to be a job for you just to try to find a job in that country. That said, I'm telling you, when I was working at Verizon, we had people all over the world working with us, and we'd be in telecom meetings with them and everything. So there's companies, giant global companies, that are not bound to the U.S. or Canada or whatever.